Meet Sensei Mike Pannulla, the owner of Magnus Karate. First a little history, and then a workout. Pax Tandon has a degree in positive psychology and is the author of Mindfulness Matters. We'll create a Green Goddess Smoothie, and of course, our Healthy Minute from Phoenixville Hospital, Tower Health. I'm Tanya Stroh, a certified personal trainer and contributing author. One thing I learned is that fitness isn't just exercise. Healthy living is more than working out and even eating well. It's about balance. Don't force exercises that are boring. Don't eat food you don't like. Don't let fear hold you back. Life is about living on your terms, so we put it all together on your and my Fitness RX.